Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Grits, and I'm about to show you guys how to find your TikTok stream key. Every time you go live, you're going to get a new stream key from TikTok, no matter what. Every time you go live, you have to get a new stream key, and I know it is very, very daunting. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it so much, but this is the way it is, and a lot of people can't find it. I'm about to show you a way like this. There's two ways that I know how to do it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one first, which is Streamlabs desktop. You're gonna click on Streamlabs desktop, and then let me see if I can bring it. It's gonna look funny on the screen, and let it load, and then you're gonna click the go live button, and then you're going to click, if you have a stream key, you're going to click locate stream key. Then it's going to take you to this page right here, and then you would click go live, and it will give you your server URL, and it will give you your stream key, your server URL and your stream key. And you have to do that like every time you want to go live. Annoying, I know, I don't like it, but this is the way that you can go live on TikTok when you want to use like Streamlabs or OBS. And then the second way is this, and I'm hoping I'm making this really simple for you guys. You download TikTok Studios, TikTok Live Studio, and then you let that load up. Like I said, sometimes it's annoying. You have to wait for an update from TikTok Studios and all that stuff. It gets annoying, but hey, man, listen, I'm here to help. I know a lot of people don't know exactly where to get a stream key from TikTok, and TikTok does not make it easy to find your stream key. But I know for a fact they do want you to use their streaming software instead of like OBS and Streamlabs. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if I were you, I would learn OBS because it's gonna be less taxing on your computer or your gaming PC than Streamlabs and TikTok Live Studio. So I would suggest you learn OBS more than Streamlabs if you're gonna be streaming. All right, the next way to do this one, find your and TikTok always, whatever, bro. They always doing. I know I won some appeal the other day, but whatever, TikTok. Anyway, you're gonna download the TikTok Studio, and then you're gonna go up here to Live Center, and basically it's gonna send you back to that other page, but it's gonna have your home page here. You go to Go Live, and then it's the same thing. You click Go Live. Then you would have your server key, and you would have your your server URL, and you will have your stream key here to copy and paste into your streaming software. And then once you click go live over here, it'll bring it up, and then you copy and paste it into your Streamlabs or OBS. Then you go live from Streamlabs or OBS, and you'll be live. And that's all I got to show you guys. Peace.